Hello dear children, today's date is 088, month is NOVEMBER November, year is 2020 and day is SUNDAY Sunday. So today's date is 8th November 2020 and day is Sunday. Now let's start our today's topic. Today we are going to learn letter O. This is capital letter O and this is small letter O, and O have two sounds. O have two sound. The first sound of letter O is O, like this, O. The first sound of letter O is O, and the second sound of letter O is O. Only O. The second sound of letter O is O. Okay, the first sound of letter O is O and the second sound of letter O is O. Understood? O have two sounds and O is a vowel. O हे काय आहे? Vowel आहे. O have two sounds. The first sound of letter O is O and the second sound of letter O is its own sound, O. Now I will show you how to write capital letter O and small letter O. While writing capital letter O, keep your pencil on top, that is on upper line. Draw a circle like this. Capital letter O. This is capital letter O. Keep your pencil top and touch to the middle bottom line like this. Capital letter O. And this is small letter O. Okay, this is capital letter O, this is small letter O. Small letter O will start from here on first blue color line, like this. You have to write small letter O. This is small letter O and this is capital letter O. Understood children? Small letter O, capital letter O. Understood? Good. Children, now take out book number 4 and open page number 4141. Topic number 3232, letter O. Capital letter O and small letter O. O have two sounds. O have two sounds. The first sound of letter O is O and the second sound of letter O is O. It has own sound. Okay, O is a vowel. O orange, O olive, O ox, O omelette, O ostrich, O orange, O orange, O olive, O ox, O omelette, O ostrich. Good. Now come to the next. Here we will practice capital letter O. How to write capital letter O. Now keep your pencil top here and trace like this. Capital letter O. Say and write capital letter O. I am doing it fast, okay? Capital letter O. Capital letter O. Say and write capital letter O. 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 Understood children how to write capital letter O? Good. Now this is your homework, okay? Now turn the page and open page number 4444. This is page number 4444. Here we will practice small letter O. O have two sounds, O and O. O oyster, O octopus. Now the second sound is O. Okay. O, or, O, oats, O, old. Here O, oyster, O, octopus. O, or, O, oats, O, old. Good. Now practice here small letter O. The small letter O start from first blue color line like this. O. Small letter 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 O. Say and write small letter O. Understood, children, how to write small letter O? Good. Now here you have 2 pages of homework, small letter O and capital letter O. Do this homework, take a photo, send it on WhatsApp. Okay. Tomorrow I'll be back with a new topic. Until bye bye.